Hello guys, I'm Rita from Go Britannia and today we are at South Bank Residence. So if you're looking to explore the South London area, you're just on the perfect place, and you're just 5 minutes walk from the Southwark station and really close from the Waterloo station, so you have everything just so close by. And when it comes to universities, you have 3 universities just right on the corner, like King's College London, Health Science University, and let's not forget London South Bank University. But these are not the only things. You're really close from the Borough Market, London Eye, how incredible is that? And the South Bank between the bridges, which is a riverside area with a lot of drinks and street food. So I feel like you're in the right place. Welcome, let's explore. When you enter the building, you will see 3 common places for every student. So let's start for this one. Probably you already know what this is, but welcome to the gym. How good is this? This is kind of a really nice gym. You have plenty of machines to use for your upper body workouts, lower body workouts. You know, you can build whatever you want and you can become the next gym rat of this accommodation of London. Let's say it that way. So yeah, welcome to the gym. And now, on the other side of the room, you will find the study room, which is so big and has a lot of lights, a lot of places for you to use. So you just need to grab a chair, grab a desk, and just do your study time here. You can do it on your own, you can do a study group session, who knows? So, yeah. I'm gonna study a little bit now. And right when you enter, this is the 3rd place you probably see, which is the laundry. I know it's not your favorite place, but well, you need to wash your clothes, you need to dry your clothes. And this is the place you have plenty of washing machines and you have plenty of dryers. So you really just need to choose which one you want and pay for it. And I'll just show you how to do it. So click on Start, and you'll choose whatever you want, and yeah, just need to go follow the instructions, and it's quite easy. If you don't want to do this here on this machine, you can do it on your phone. And now we have arrived to the coolest part of this accommodation. Welcome to the common area. This is a really big area and you will understand why this one is so cool. Let's start on this area. You have plenty of sofas, chairs, this really big television, and you can just watch, I don't know, a football game, you can watch Formula 1 if you're a Formula 1 fan like me. You can just have a dinner party just right on this big table, have some snacks. Well, you can have loads of fun and look at this view, but let's not go there. Let's go to the other places first. And just right there, you have a pool table. How cool is this? I just love pool tables. I really don't know how to play, to be honest. I'm really bad at this. But I like to play with my friends or with my family, so why not? And just right here, you also have a football table. So, well, if you're into some, I don't know, rival game, just some competition, you can just join all your mates and just do some games around here. But let me show you around here a little bit more. You also have more sofa area, television area, it's like game area. But if we are talking about games, first of all, how cool is this with this neon lights? Really nice, right? I just love neon lights. I feel like they make the place so much more like warm and more welcoming, I would say. And I was talking about games, right? I know. We can play some games around here. We have London board game. This must be kind of cool. You can just have loads of fun around here. I feel like you will love this accommodation. But I want to show you, well, my favorite parts. Come. And now let me show you my favorite part. Oh my god, I'm putting my arm string on action. Just show you this amazing view. Welcome to the terrace. Here you can see the Big Ben, the London Eye, and tell me, how cool is this? Come on, this is so amazing. There's literally no way that you won't feel like you're in London. Come on. And let me show you around, because this is like almost a 360 garden, terrace garden. And you have plenty of tables, chairs, these really nice sofas for you just to catch some sun. Well, if it's sun in London, of course. If it's raining, you can just always, look at the rain. Just feel the rain, why not? And you have plenty of room here to use and just to have fun. And you have an amazing time around here. Welcome to the Platinum Studio, and let's start just right here, right on my back. You have a lot of storage. So you enter and you see this really big wardrobe. Look at this. You have so many shelves to use. So if this is a concern for you, I think no longer is. And when you enter the room, you can jump into the bed because you're really tired. And this is your bed. It's such a big bed, to be honest. This is really big and really comfy at the same time. So I feel like you have the best sleep nights around here. And while you're in bed, you can watch some television. Look at this. This is so cool. You can just be here, lay down, chill, studying, not studying, just watching some TV. Really cool. And let's say that this is a really big room. So if you're looking into something a little bit more bigger, Platinum is quite a nice option for you. And just right here, you have your desk. How cool is this? It's a really big desk too. So, well, the room is big, the desk is big. And look at this, it's so big. This almost looks like a studio for two. So, well, you're on your own, you have plenty of space to use. You have just, you can be creative with the kitchen, with the desk, with all of the room, basically. And you have plenty of storage to use. You have the fridge, you have a microwave, you also have 2 obs. So I'll just show you the last place of the room. Well, last but not least, here is your bathroom. And to be honest, I never know what to say 100% about the bathrooms, but this is a really cool one and it's so big. Like, you have this really nice sink, you have your shower, you have plenty of space, just put your towels, put your stuff, even some decoration. So I feel like you will definitely feel at home and you will love to be in this studio or in any other studios of this accommodation. I'm sure about it.